here we have yet another architectural build utilising the Plungie solution. This time, a mid-century modern renovation and extension by Plot Architecture and Ultibuild that has been beautifully designed to take full advantage of the Plungie inclusion. The extension of this home allows for sweeping views of the pool area from both the kitchen and living spaces, and really invites the outside in, the ultimate lifestyle. Access for delivery and placement of a Plungie takes such a leading role when working with an established home. And as you can see here, the team at Ultibuild and Universal Cranes have really threaded the needle to get the Plungie Max into position. So stay tuned for updates on the evolution of this project, as we will be back to see this gorgeous 1940s character home renovation project come together.